Alright, Glams, this is your host again, Natanya with the Glam Life. I'm currently in my local Walgreens and I am showcasing you all some different items that I was able to find on sale while I was in here today. And these are the Sally Hansen Mega Nail Polishes and the Mega Strength. And look at the price, regularly $5.79 on clearance for $2.89. I picked up a nail hardener and a nice, beautiful shimmery color. And I basically just wanted to come in and show you all and how I shop for my items, because I always be doing lives on my good deals. Look at the Miracle Gel by the Sally Hansen. Regularly $10, on sale for $4.99. Now these are only in certain colors, so but if you want to try something new, now would be the good time to try it out. Anything that's an orange tag is what I'm going to be zooming in on. So check your local Walgreens, because they're holding a very nice sale on some of their cosmetics. Down here, they have the Insta Dry, regularly $5.99, and like that pewter shade right here, $2.99 on sale. These are $4.49, regularly $8.99. So I'm just pretty much, now I'm on to the Black Radiance. And look, G.L.A.M.s, they already got some sales going on with their yellow tag, but look at their orange tag. These lip glosses regularly $5.29, on sale for $2.69. Look at this color. Right here, this is like a base sculpt right here. So I'm just panning down. And look right here, G.L.A.M.s, an item that was on sale, that is on sale, $5.29, regularly $10.49. And this is like a poured on beauty oil from Black Radiance. So this is a good time to try something new. Makes an excellent stocking stuffer. Right here, this is like a illuminating oil. A Liquid Radiance highlighter illuminator, regularly $8.99. Yours today for $4.99. Foundations. They have foundations regularly $5.79, on sale for $2.89. And these are only certain shades, but it's a good way to come in and showcase your to look at some of your items that you want on sale. Here we have is your lip glosses from, where we at now, Milani Cosmetics. This is Milani, and look what Milani has. Beautiful shades. We have like the nude tones right here, regularly on sale now $4.99, regularly $8.99. And we have like a dark berry tone. Excellent stocking stuffers, you all. Down here we have the, looks like the an eye sculpt, and regularly $8.99, for $4.49 on sale. So I'm just kind of like scanning the aisle. Here, some beautiful Milani highlighters, regularly $9.99, on sale for $4.99. So again, if you are going to any holiday parties, wanting something kind of festive shimmer, these right here would be kind of good, and you're getting them for 50% off the price. So you all know I beauty blog, and I'm just showing you all some of the different items that I'm able to find. I'm over here in Wet n Wild. Now this is the palette, G.L.A.M.s, I'm waiting right here to go on sale. This is the palette. Let me zoom out. This is the palette, regularly $19.99. I'm looking for this to go on sale. So, but let's see what Wet n Wild has. Now the yellow tags, they are on sale, but I'm mainly paying attention and focusing on the orange tags. And I found some down here, so let's zoom in to see what we have. We have some lip colors on clearance for $2.19, was $4.29. So we have like a salmon color, and it's like a pewter gold tone shade right here. But just want to show you real quick, G.L.A.M.s, how I shop for some of my beauty products. So we're over here. These are, looks like some concealers from the Wet n Wild. And look, $3.19, regularly $6.29. We have this beautiful Mega Glow palette right here. $2.99, $5.99. Look at this powder. I'm gonna get this one. This is the loose powder, highlighting powder, $2.99. We're over here in G.L.A.M.s, and only thing I see in G.L.A.M.s is a foundation, looks like right here, for $3.49, regularly $13.99. And we have some orange tags in the blushes, regularly $12.99, on sale for $6.49. But I'm going to go back over here to this Wet n Wild because I got to get this right here. $2.99, the House Glow. I'm definitely going to try that. So now we're over here to our e.l.f. Cosmetics. And if you're looking for any brushes, G.L.A.M.s, look, $2.99 on sale. Just for certain ones, but regularly $6. We have some primers on sale down here. Regularly, what's the regular price? $7, $3.49. So if you want to try a different primer from the Eyes, Lip, and Face brand, e.l.f., this will be good. Let's see what they have down here. $1.49. Well, they don't have any more. It looks like a lip pencil. But $3.99 if you're looking for a good contour palette. Down here, $2.49 for lips. And it looks like some of those are gone. So I just want to come on real quick to show you all the different things that are on sale from the e.l.f. brand. This right here, this hydrating primer mist, regularly $9, $4.49. They have some excellent deals and some excellent sales along their makeup aisle. But this is my local Walgreens here in West Columbia. And you all see that they have a lot of orange tags. So this is how I shop for my beauty products. And you all have a blessed day. And I will come back on the next time.